Here on a new permission, and this one's kind of cool. I'm going to show it to the property owner because I got this little toy tank, I think, but she had some sons, and one of them is here right now with her grandchild, so I'll have to show him, see if he recognizes this little toy. It's upside down. I can't tell exactly what it says, but I know it says that it was made in China. But that's pretty cool. I got another mystery find. See if I can pull them out. It is 30 degrees out here, and I have on 2 pairs of gloves. The other thing that I got so far was this right here. And I have no clue what that is. I'll try to look it up, but if it looks familiar to you, feel free to let me know in the comments or in chat, either or both. All right, and keep digging. I just found another one. See the extra wheel here? That one fell off, not extra, but this one says, oh, don't lose the wheel, sorry. I already rubbed it off there a little. So Mattel 1987. So it's cool. Another one that I can show him. Funny thing is that the lady that lives here wrote a book, and I'm reading it right now, and I was just reading about her sons talking about Matchbox cars, so it's pretty cool. I can already tell what this is going to be, but I haven't gotten it out of the plug yet. I think they may actually want to keep this one, just based on some stuff that I know, but we'll see. Regardless, how cool is that? This is a very old house, but nothing old yet, but it's still been a lot of fun just finding these treasures. Too cool. All right, got another one. It's cold weather's getting to me, sorry. It's gonna be fun to show them all these cars I found. Can't tell what this is, 1990 maybe. Well, this definitely looks like I know what it's gonna be, but let's see. Oh yeah. Got any writing on the back? It's so hard with extra gloves. I wound up getting a new phone mount, but hold on, we're getting words. Ended up getting a new phone mount, but I left it. Okay, I don't know what this means. I gotta look it up, but it is W.M. Rogers. It says reinforced. What's that say beside it? Made USA, maybe? I don't know what it says. I don't know what that says. Water. What's it say? The phone is not focusing. I don't know what that says. Trying to make my phone focus, but it's not. Well, I don't know what that says. Something T. Okay, so the recording turned off. I still don't know what it says. I can't see it through my phone, and I see even less through my eyes. But it's got a stamp beside it that says TS, and it has this pretty little decorative spot on there. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, I feel real dumb. So that was W.M. Rogers reinforced plate. So I believe this is a plated silver spoon. I am still dying. I got hopeful for a second, but it didn't feel like it was going to be silver. But I was a little hopeful, I'm not going to lie. But still, still a cool find, even though I dropped it in my bag. One day I'll get that silver spoon. It's coming soon. I feel it. Down in the hole, I got a square now. But got more in the hole. No, maybe it's still picking up the thing in the... Yeah. Well, I know there's something in the plug, but I was like halfway picking up something in the hole, but I think it's just because I was getting closer to this. So there's something right here. Ooh. Oh, it's a quarter. Let's say 1996 or 8, I don't know. But there you go. Put that with the other modern change I found out here today. Never mad about glad, right? Here's when I showed them all the toys that I'd found so far, and yep, he kept the plane. I thought he probably would. As I thought, the owner kept the plane, and I figured it was the owner's son, but I thought that would be how that worked out. It was pretty cool. They were excited about it, but I got this 5253 right here. Thought we could check it out. I'm definitely regretting not having my phone mount with me right now. So can't promise that this is going to be the best footage ever, but we'll try. All right. Oh, I see it. Oh, that's not it. That's coal. Thought it was a toy car again. Oh, that's funny. What's over there? What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh. Well, I don't know what that is. Maybe not what I was hoping for, but oh well. I don't know. Try to clean it up later and show you guys like what it is. And there was a square nail in that hole as well. Okay, y'all. So I do believe that karma's real. Doing something good, like returning the plane to the kid. I mean, he's an adult now, but we'll get you good karma. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's just how I see things. But that's not why I did it. But I finally got something old, I believe. So pretty sure that this is going to be a suspender clip class, whatever. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty excited about it. Really happy because first, like, definitely old thing other than a square nail. My phone has been off. I'm not sure how many times I've been talking to myself and how many times it's been recorded, so I will just do this part again just in case. But look what I got. Something old, and I'm so excited. Really excited about that. Love it. Suspender clip class, whatever this part's called. Suspender clip. So happy. Okay, there was more in the hole, and I don't want to lose it, so I don't actually have the Fonz box on me, but my car is really close by, so I'm just going to run and go grab one because I don't want to lose these things. I don't want to put them in somewhere and lose a piece. I'll clean this all up later, though. Yay! Good day with the triple score. I love this machine. All right, got part of another car. So not used to this weather, like not just the cold, but like the time of day. The fact that it is, oh, my finger's in the way. The fact that it is like 4:40, something like that, and it's almost dark. It's insane to me. I'm gonna clean this up some, but I think that this is a bell seal. I just can't really tell yet. And I'm running out of daylight, and I want to hunt some more, so I'll clean that up at home. Throw that in there for now. I believe this one might have got hit by the lawnmower, but here's part of another car. That is an interesting, set of keys. Never seen that before. But I will see if they want these, because maybe it's theirs, maybe it goes with something. And maybe they have no clue. But it'll be cool to return them. It almost made it to the car and got a high signal, and all this stuff, I just dropped something. All this stuff came out of the hall. I'm pretty sure it was the toy car that gave me the high signal, though. Sweet. I don't know what that is, but I'll look at it more when I get home. This, I'd never seen one that said this. It says Consolidated Fruit Jar Company, New York. That's the first one that I had seen that said that. I did look this up. I think it was something off a radiator, if I'm not mistaken. Not really sure. Got a head stamp here. Did not try to clean it up to figure out the date on it. I got this one little piece of pottery. Got the tank. The airplane, as you know, went back to the owner. Got this little mini car right here. The top shell, whatever that part is. Got this silver spoon. Well, silver plated. Still super excited about it, but waiting for the real thing to come. Got this set of keys here. Did not get to see the owner before I left, so still gotta take that by and see if they know who those belong to. Another car. This was the thing that that rang up really high, and I don't have a clue what it was. I was thinking I was gonna find me a big silver. That is definitely not what I found. It says Japan on it. No clue what that is. Don't know what this thing is. Interesting shape on it, though. Maybe somebody here knows what it is. Got part of a car there. This is a telephone truck, and it's seen better days. We lost another wheel off this guy, so I got them both, but they're not on there anymore. There's my clad. I guess the last thing that I've got here is this weird thing here. These three pieces were all in a hole together. I don't think I recorded it. Don't know what that is, but if any of you guys know what that might be, definitely feel free to let me know. Okay, and these are the pieces that I found in that last hole. Did try to clean it up, try to find a patent date. There is something on there, but I can't tell what that is. So I wonder if you can tell on this video. No, I don't know. I'm going to have to pull my loop out maybe. See what it is that I think I see there, but maybe I don't see anything at all. I've been doing that with a coin for so long now that I feel like I'm going crazy when I try to see something. But I do believe that this piece right here, we still got it all zoomed in, don't we? Goes in there like that. Could be wrong. If I'd put it in the other side first, it would have fit better. I don't know what this is. Don't know if that's part of it. It's definitely in that same hole though. But my favorite find from the hunt for sure.